Welcome to Stock Designs. We are a graphic design studio / collective that specializes in providing attractive and informative design assets for small, medium-sized, and large businesses. We are based in South Africa and have 2 years of experience as a design agency. We have worked on various projects and have provided design assets for a multitude of businesses in our local area. To name a handful: BT Healthcare based in Germiston, Impact Gym based in the Greater Alberton area, Astrotopia, an online shopping brand, and we were called on to participate in creating the UJSRC logo for 2025. Though the deal didn't go through, we are proud to have even received the opportunity. So, welcome, and we want to give you guys a glimpse of the power of our mousepad. In case you don't know what that is, songwriters better their pen, artists better their brush, and designers better their mousepad. In this video, I will be creating a remake of the Patagonia logo while I introduce the channel and tell you the channel vision and mission. So, there's nothing we're waiting for. Let's get started. So, this is the asset that I created for this video, but before we begin, I would like to give you a brief sum up of the history and achievements of Patagonia, and I believe that will give you some insight on why I took some of the artistic decisions that I took. Patagonia was founded in 1973 by climber and environmentalist Yvon Chouinard. Patagonia began as a small company that sold climbing gear and has since evolved into one of the most respected outdoor apparel brands in the world. Rooted in its California origins, the company quickly gained a reputation for high-quality, durable products designed for outdoor sports like climbing, skiing, surfing, and trail running. Patagonia is widely recognized not only for its technical innovation in performance wear, but also for pioneering corporate environmental responsibility. Some of their key achievements include early adoption of sustainable materials. They are among the first to use recycled polyester and organic cotton in its products. The Worn Wear program was to promote repairing and reusing clothing to reduce waste. 1% for the planet. Patagonia has pledged 1% of sales annually to environmental causes since 1985. Earth tax donation in 2022. The Chouinard family transferred ownership of Patagonia to a trust and non-profit organization to ensure that all profits, estimated at $100 million annually, are used to fight climate change and protect nature. Their mission statement is, "We're in business to save our home planet." This bold mission underlines Patagonia's commitment to using business as a force for environmental activism and systemic change. Patagonia envisions a world where businesses prioritize sustainability, transparency, and social justice, leading the way toward a more responsible and regenerative economy. The brand continues to inspire both consumers and companies by proving that profitability and purpose can coexist. So, these are some of the images that I used to garner inspo from. This Japan poster that I found on Pinterest, and a couple of these Patagonia logo remakes. So, with the Patagonia logo remakes, I will be trying to incorporate all the colors that I see here into the design. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a way to really incorporate the purple color, but maybe one day when I make another remake, I'll do better and finally be able to use the infamous Patagonia purple. So, in this video, I just want to be talking over me while I make the design. I'll be explaining the mission statement of this YouTube channel and my vision for it, while I fast forward a couple clips of me creating. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. press the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video with anyone who wishes to get into designing, or anyone who is even a designer. Maybe this channel can be their insights, or this channel can be their inspiration into doing better and becoming better as a designer. This YouTube channel will be utilized to provide educational and entertaining videos about how to create various design assets and how to create certain effects, vectors, and images using open source design software. To design, we mainly use Inkscape, GIMP, and as of late, our designers have been getting into Blender. Our reason to create this channel is not because we believe that we have something to teach you, but because we believe if we can create a community that is rooted in sharing information and bettering our respective design skills, then we can pioneer a wave that will change the landscape of South African graphic designing forever. So our aim is to show you something that helped better us, and you can show us something that helped better you. And the great thing about graphic designing is there will always be businesses that require design assets, and a singular business requires a multitude of designs. So there will never be enough work, and you will never run out of work. So if you have been considering getting into graphic designing, I highly recommend you should. And if you have been designing, I say don't stop, go harder. So hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you are notified every time we upload, and we can welcome you into the world of graphic designing. So this is our finished product. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and share this video with your friends. Share this video with fellow designers. Share this video to your brother, to your dog, to your mother, to your father, as long as you share this video. I really tried to incorporate the infamous Patagonia purple, but I couldn't really find a spot for it that would make it sit, and most of all that would make it gel with the entire design. But I really had fun making this design. It is one of my first, as I'm getting back into designing more consistently, and I want to utilize this YouTube channel as a way for me to become more consistent, because I know myself, really sometimes I've been slacking off. Really sometimes I don't work because I feel like it's pointless, because I do be getting customers that pay money, but fast money goes fast. So now I really want to make more stable money, more slow money. So I will be using this YouTube channel to do so. So I just ask that you guys hit the subscribe button, you comment your favorite part of the video, or comment any tips that you have for me on how to make my designing life easier. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.